In the iiQWorks project team, we ask ourselves, how can we help our customers to get to a seamlessly functioning production facility in the shortest possible time? We want to remove complexity from robotics and create a platform that is not only powerful, but also intuitive, so that new production plans can be developed, simulated, and commissioned more efficiently. With iiQWorks, a digital twin of the production facility can be created, allowing processes to be tested before the actual commissioning. This means virtual commissioning instead of long on-site tests. Changes can be simulated in advance, helping to avoid production downtimes. Project teams involved in production planning can collaborate more efficiently, thanks to excellent visualization. We achieved to develop a solution that makes automation more tangible, not as an additional hurdle, but as a real tool that provides planning security and simplifies implementation. So we are making automation easier.
Making automation easier.